everybody, and welcome to Rhyme Time. Let's start off with our acknowledgement of country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. And today we're going to be singing some songs about fish and the sea. But before we get there, let's wave hello to each other. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I hope you're all well and you're ready for our trip. Let's start off by singing Teddy Bear. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, stand up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, touch your shoes. Teddy bear, I love you. Okay, so we're going to be little fish in the sea. I'm a little fishy, watch me swim. Here is my tail and here is my fin. When I want to have fun with my friends, I wiggle my tail and dive right in. There go the fish into the sea. And what else might we see in the sea? We might see some crocodiles. Baby crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you. Out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Maybe we see one more crocodile. One that's a little bit bigger. It's Mummy Crocodile. Mummy Crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you. Out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. And to get away from the crocodile, we might have to row. We might have to row our boat. Get your oars ready. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat underneath the sea. Ha ha, trick you, I'm a submarine. One more. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Wibbledy, wobbledy, wibbledy, wobbledy. Into the water we go. Splash! Goodness, let's get back on our boats and have a look and see what we see. And I think we see some fish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. And I think the waves go up and down. Let's get our waves ready. The waves in the sea go up and down. Up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. What else can we see? We can see some more fish. Let's try and catch those fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Well, we've run away from crocodiles and we've tried our little bit of fishing. I think it's probably time to go home. So let's wave goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Goodbye everybody, and see you again.